Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to see your hotspot password on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. Having opened up your phone settings, go ahead and make sure you look for hotspot and connections. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on hotspot off. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on personal hotspot. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on hotspot setting. Then you have your hotspot password right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.